Hello friends, I Anuradha Varal, Assistant Professor in Computer Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we will see introduction of skip list and their features. So basic introduction of skip list. It is a variant list for the linked list, and the skip lists are made up of the series of nodes connected one after the other. So each node contains a key and value pair as well as one or more references or pointer to nodes further along in the list. The number of references each node contains is determined randomly. That is, number of references a node contains is called as the node level. And there are the two special nodes in the skip list. One is head node and one is tail node. So the head node, which is starting node of the list, and tail node is the last node of the list. So the skip list is an efficient implementation of dictionary using sorted chain. So this is because in a skip list each node consists of forward references of more than one node at a time. So this diagram is a skip list, and first one is a head node and last one is a tail node. So for example, consider the sorted chain, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. First diagram in a figure 2. Now to search any node from above given sorted chain, we have to search the sorted chain from head node by visiting each node. But this searching time can be reduced if we add one level in every alternate node. So this extra level contains forward pointer of some node. That means in the sorted chain, some nodes can hold pointers to more than one node. For example, say in the figure 3, if we want to search node 50 from this figure 3, there will be require comparatively less time, and this search again can be made efficient if we add few more pointer of forward references. So the more pointer, here see in this diagram, there are the node level, increases the node level. So this sorted chain, every second having one level of chain is added. For instance, node 20. So see this 20 has two next chain, one pointing to the 30 and another pointing to the node 40, and this makes searching more efficient. And in this skip list, the hierarchy of chain is maintained, and the level 0 is sorted chain of all pairs, and the level I chain consists of subset of the pair in every level I of one chain. So these are the skip list. So features of skip list. It is a randomized data structure. This is a kind of linked list which works with the levels. It is order linked list which is called as sorted chain, and the expected time complexity of insertion, deletion and the search operation is big O of log n. Thank you.